Hello and welcome to Lessonzilla. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use concatenate function to combine two text strings in Excel. Now, as you can see on the screen, I've got a column with first name and last name. Now, I want to have a third column with the first name and the last name of these users. So let's go ahead and see how concatenate function works. Put equal sign and start typing concatenate. It's actually called concat. It used to be the whole word concatenate, but they have shortened it now. So concat stands for concatenate. So once it auto-populates, you can just double click on it. And then the next thing you have to do is select the first cell that you want to start the formula with. And then if you want to have a space in between, just follow this. So now we're going to put and sign, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and sign again. And now you're going to select the second cell. Okay, so your formula is almost done. Now close the brackets and hit enter. As you can see, the first name and the last name has been combined together and there's a space in between. Now, if you want to apply the same formula across to the entire table or the sheet, just come in here and double click on it. And as you can see, the full names of all these users have been populated. Now, you have got the formula here, as you can see, up in the formula bar. If you want to convert this to text strings again, what I suggest doing is select all by pressing Ctrl A, go to copy, and then right click on it and paste values. Okay, so you have pasted the values, and now if you click on it, they will show as text strings instead of the formula. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing you weekly videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.